mama, kung mamili ko no kog laki, kana ko nung bahala gwapo basta dato. Well, caramel. Sakto man sad si mama. Kaya sa panahon karon, dapat praktikal. Ooh la la, JOE JONSON. C-A-R. Look at those shoes. O-M. Unsa na yung relo? Murag mahalon jud. Di ba ka na-imit? Wait. Unsa ni? Angel? Hi. Ka-perfect ba? Ang aping daw, bi? Sus! Wait, tatsa. Mauna dyan niya ang giingon ni mama nga. Bahalag dato basta gwapo.
What? Huy! Happy Valentine's Day, Ronnie!
Matuog pa lang kahuwan. Makaginan siya pakagmuta. Kapila man ti ka kinahanglan ingnan. Dili lagi ka akong type. Sige, bye.
What?
A lot of things have changed. I don't wear braces anymore. I changed the color of my hair to fit in. And of course, food is life. So yeah, this is my body now. Nausap mo siguro ang tanan. Pero one thing ang one awesome. Akong gugma para ninyo. Hi, very husband material. Pero nailaing plano ang Ginoo. But still, I love Jay. panahon mong good karon, ang mga babay, mahadlok na mahigugma og lacking work in progress. Too many women want a finished product. Ganahan sila na car, kanang dato, kanang maka-travel anywhere, kanang maka-afford sa ilang mga ganahan. And I am one of them. Before John came to my life, or also known as Juan. Yes, si Juan. Wasad ko nag-expect nga ma-fall ko aning lakiha. I mean, let's face it. Di siya akong type, and he's not the typical dream guy nga magustuhan sa usa ka babae. But he's always been there for me when I needed him. Siya ang lalaki nga willing mo sacrifice para sa taong iyang love. Siya ang lalaki nga mopakatawan nimo when you needed it most. So I made a decision to take the risk. I decided to be the woman who will build him up. Wako kahibaw unsa mong kaugmaon, but I trust him. And I trust you, God. All I need right now is I am ready. I am ready to spend my whole life with him. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, nga ikaw ang nagpatunga sa among relasyon. Karon, ihatag namo nimo ang among kinabuhi ug kaugmaon. Kay kaybaw ko nga ikaw ray nagpuput ani. Thank you for making me so much happy. Thank you na imong gipakita nako unsa ang tinuod nga paghigugma. Nga di siya about if naa ba siya car o maka-afford ba siya sa akong ganahan. But it's about how we give what we receive. We receive love from you, and all the more that we must give love to other, regardless kung unsa ilang status sa kinabuhi.
We often spend our whole life looking for the perfect one, without even knowing that God has a better plan. You shouldn't look for the right person. Instead, focus on becoming the right person, and love will come to you unexpectedly. Sa tanang mga babae nga parihan ako, don't be afraid to build up your man. Be the woman who he can count on to. Be the shoulder who he can lean on. Be on his side when he needed you. Be in front of him when he needs strength. And be at his back when he needed someone who can push him to achieve his goal.
Don't be afraid because there is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear. Because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. We love because He first loved us.